Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share something important things. In this video I would like to share 5 most important things that really helps to improve English language. Actually these all the things helped me. I applied for improve my English language. So that's why I want to share something beneficial things that can help you to improve your English, because I got many comments, you know on my YouTube channel. I got many comments or people, they are keep asking me how can I improve my English language. So here I want to share with you something important in order to become a fluent English speaker, or how can you improve your English language. So I don't want to take your so much time. I want to just say each and everything in a very easy way, in a very easy words sentence. I will use very easy sentence so anyone can understand. If you are a beginner, if you are a intermediate level, or anyone can understand easily without extra efforts. So I will mention 5 things in this video, and trust me, after listening this video, after watching this video, you will know the exactly what you should do. So please, if you want to learn something from my video, then please pay attention and listen carefully. So my first step would be keep listen English content. So you should listen every day. Maybe podcast, maybe simple conversations, maybe daily routine, maybe movie, maybe web series. You can listen in order to your interest. But you must have to listen every day. In every day. So I want to say you please listen every day, because when you listen the words, you will learn so many things, you will improve your listening power. And second thing I would like to share with you also, which is reading. Guys, I mention these things in my every videos. Sometime my viewers, they also say something, you are saying same things in your videos, but I want to say this is the most things that every learners they are doing, which is reading practice. Because without reading we cannot get so many things, we cannot learn a lot of things, we cannot become fluent. So reading is the very important things. That's why I mentioned in my every videos you should read books. So I shared with you two things, is it? Yes. And the third one is, which I want to share with you also, which is practice, speaking practice. Guys, some people, they are afraid of making mistakes. They are thinking about their mistakes because they are not a fluent, they are not a intermediate level, or they are started their journey, they are in initially stage. So they are always thinking about, what if I make mistakes? People, they can find my mistakes, people, they can laugh at me, maybe I don't know what will happen with me with that situation, maybe I will perfect or not. But here I want to say with you, trust me, please ignore them, because in this world you will know many peoples, they have negative mindset, they are not encourages us, they are always finding mistakes. Whatever we do, sometimes people always trying to find mistakes. So we should not let it a demotivation. We should also use all the things in a for motivation. We should always think about our strength. Actually, making mistakes, it is not a very bad things, and I cannot say it is a, you know, very big things. It is a very normal, it is a learning point. Okay, and mistakes are the teachers. Mistakes can teach you, and you can improve your English while making mistakes also. Because when we find mistakes, when we find our mistakes, we must correct them. We must work on that, our mistakes. Then we can improve ourselves. Without making mistakes, how we can learn, how we can become fluent, how we can get confidence, or achieve fluency. So we should do mistakes, but we should also correct them. Okay, so I hope you understand. And now fourth one is practicing, you know, revision. I would say revision, because a revision, that means whatever we learned in a day, we must revise them topic wise. We should, let's suppose if you learned 5 vocabularies in a day, then at night you should revise them. You should try to make some sentences about those vocabularies. Make small sentences in your initially day and speak out loud. That, I would say, fifth one is you should speak out loud. Whatever you read, whatever you learned, whatever you do, and whatever you can see, you should speak. If you can feel any situation, or if you can create anything like a story, you should not only read silently, you should read out loud. You should open your mouth, because opening mouth is the first things that we can improve English. Through opening mouth, through we can improve English. Because if we not opening our mouth, because opening mouth, that is the first step for learning English. Because if we do everything just through silently, how we can speak? For speaking, we need to speak, we need to come in this language. Then we can improve pronunciation, we can speak, or we can pronounce any word in a correct way. Otherwise, we always feel hesitant, we always feel stuck, or we always feel about making mistakes. So I hope you got my point. Please mark my words. Actually, without speaking, without speak out loud, we cannot speak English. I'm not talking about becoming a fluent English speaker. Even you cannot convey your message with your friend. Why? Because you are doing everything silently, and you have a dream to become fluent English speaker. So for that reason, you have to first speak out loud. Then you can correct your pronunciation, then you can correct your uh, mistakes, then you can become fluent, then you can improve your English language. So for that, you should first open your mouth. I hope you understand well. I hope you can understand whatever I spoke. Please, I shared with you 5 things, which is uh, reading, listening, practice, revision, or speaking out loud. I have shared 5 things that is very important. Everyone must do it. So so this is the my perspective about these all the topics. We should grab all the topics, then we should try to do at least. And in this way, I am also trying to learn English language, because I am very passionate to learn English language, and I want to enhance my vocabulary, my pronunciation, my speaking style. I want to speak with many YouTubers. I have a dream to become a big YouTuber, to become a confident English speaker. This is my dream. So I'm on the pipeline. I would say I'm on the pipeline. दैट मीन्स मैं उस चीज़ को पाने के लिए लगी हुई हूँ, है ना. सो आई एम ऑन द वे. So I want to, if you want to become fluent, then please start practicing. Okay, so I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.